Guys. Ay, wag kami guys. Kami guys. Guys, one hit kay Dairut. Fuck, nakita niyo yun guys. Tipi. Nasa low. Tingnan guys. Ano yun guys?
Nasaan?
Yeah. Kami nga. Hey, tipi.
Bago sipa. Malakas.
Pakita ko po yung build ko. Wait lang. Guys. Ito po yung build ko. Ginagawa ko po yan. Hindi nga po, nabuild ko na. Session ko po to. Ito bibilin ko. Yan. Alright. Alpas ko to. Tapos, papakita ko po yun. Aking emblem. Ito lang po yung emblem ko. If you see guys, wala kay Dairut. Yan pa build. Ito po yung build ko. Yan yung jungle ko po. Ito naman po, explain nyo na sa taas. Ito po, pang mid, pang core, kahit ano po guys. Pwede nyo pong palitan ng boots. Pwede nyo po palitan ng boots at ng battle spell. Ito naman po yung aking jungle na ginagamit. As you can see, ito po yung aking emblem. Yan guys. Kung gusto nyo naman po ito, kaso po, mas masakit po pag naka-rupture. Yan guys ha.
I will do anything for
Hindi, bakit ganyan?
anything.
Bago.
Ay. Ay, mali.
Who would recognize someone as weak as you? Your life shall be shattered in an instant. Your life shall be shattered in an
Yun.
instant.
Yun. Yun natin din.
Your life shall be shattered in an instant.
What happened?
Hindi naman nadali. Patay agad. Baka
Patay, guys.
nagulat.
Do anything for your life shall be shattered in an instant.
Nadali.
Kaya guys,
Sakit parang blade lang yan.
tignan nyo guys.
Your life shall be shattered in an
Oh,
instant.
yan eh. Wala po akong basic attack guys ha.
Is home to me.
Makita nyo po dito sa basic attack na button. Hindi ako nag-basic attack guys. Kita lang po talaga.
Your life shall be shattered in an instant.
Guys, kita nyo. Bye bye guys. That's all for you.